Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to use this new little mini easy press to put some vinyl on top of a hat. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to turn this on. So right here, super easy, just the heat settings. Push it once. I'm going to press it twice. The top one is for infusible ink, so we're just going to leave it at 2 and we're going to let it heat up. So I'm going to put it back in its carrier right there. So the most important thing with this mini press is to have a very smooth and firm surface. So for a hat, recommend that you put a easy press mat inside. And then you can either put rolled up towels, or I just like to use a container. This is my shake mix container. And I'm gonna get it on it. So now on the front here, I have a nice smooth hard surface. Okay, so my easy press is heated up, my mini one here. So you can see it's green now. So I have a whole bunch of layers for this narwhal. So we are gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna put actually, I think the main one on first. Maybe right about there. So with the mini press, you do want to use the heat resistant tape because you need to actually move the press around. So with the easy press, you were just pressing it. But now we're actually going to move this around. So I'm going to tape it down first so it doesn't move. Okay, and then I'm just going to start applying pressure and moving it around. And since I am doing layering, I'm not going to do the full 25 seconds because I'm going to keep pushing it down and I don't want things to shrink too much. So there's my first layer. And then let's put the blue on. So the blue kind of fits inside there. There. And you can always cut these apart. And then I'm going to press it down with that point there. And I'm not going to do it for the full time again because I will be pressing everything multiple times. So on layers, I just want to do a few. So I'm going to try to do the outside here. This is the Mosaic holographic. Iron on. And I think I'm actually going to cut it apart. Side up. Tape it down. And this side. So I'm going to apply just a protective sheet over it so I don't melt any of the other. start pressing it all down. I'm gonna let this one cool a little bit on here. So I'm actually just gonna take that out. Side of this one off. So that nice precision tip here, you can just get it in there really well. Okay. And this right about in there. Okay, I'm just going to use a teflon sheet and put it over and make sure I got everything down. Okay, so cute, right? So now I'm going to do, actually going to put the same here, right on the bottom here. And tape. Pushing it down here, and then just swing to the other side. right up in there. Press the back. And press the back of this for about 15 seconds. Make sure you get those edges real well. And there you go. You can see this went right onto those seams there. And now you have your own hat.